In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Mercury Online banking password. Whether you've lost your password or just need to update it for security purposes, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Mercury login page. This is where you'll typically go to enter your credentials, but since you're resetting your password, we'll take a different route. As you look at the login form, focus your attention just below it, where you'll see the option that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Mercury account. This is crucial because Mercury will use this email to send you the necessary reset information. Double check your entry to ensure it's correct, then proceed by clicking the Reset Password button. Once you've completed that, it's time to head over to your email inbox. Keep an eye out for an email from Mercury. It should be titled something like Mercury Password Reset. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folders, as emails sometimes land there by mistake. When the email arrives, open it and you'll find a link included. This link is your gateway to the password reset page, so click on it to continue. Once you've opened that page, you'll be prompted to carefully enter a new password. Make sure this new password is both secure and memorable. Avoid commonly used passwords for safety. Instead, consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. This step ensures that there are no typos in your new password. With everything entered correctly, proceed to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. Once that's complete, return to the login page. This time, you can enter your email address and your newly created password. If everything's done right, you'll successfully log into your Mercury account. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully reset your Mercury online banking password. Remember, keeping your passwords updated and secure is a vital part of maintaining your online security. If you have any questions or encounter issues along the way, Mercury's customer support is always available to assist. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.